building up a house where they raise me. You move with me, I go crazy. Don't switch on me, I got big plans. We need to follow to the islands and get you going on straight time. I need you to stop running back, stop running back. Stop running back to your ex, she's a waste man.
DJ Cat. I don't know if you could tag it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spin it in
Yes, you do.
Shut
up. So earlier you saw us, myself and not so slim thing Saki, trying to break a sweat. But right now we're going into a cool down for more imaginary sweat session.
Look here, him sweat. So make him stop what I got. Exactly.
Camilla is still here, by the way. She's here to treat us some waistline-friendly smoothies for Saki.
She's here to tell me how to get my waistline back because apparently it's gone. I lie, it's so gone.
Gone.
Your book is good for a lot of things.
Yes, it is.
Gone.
So, today you're going to show us how to
We're
make
gonna do
a
a
very
breakfast smoothie.
satisfying breakfast smoothie.
Absolutely,
Okay.
because it does not make sense to try and commit to this healthy lifestyle if you are not eating properly.
Right.
There's no amount of workouts that can outtrain a bad diet, right? So we have to think and we have to prioritize what we're eating every day. We are what we eat, literally, right?
Okay.
Now,
Oh my gosh.
She's a oink oink. But doesn't this get tiring? Like this?
Yeah.
you kind of get used to it. You get in a rhythm, just like workouts. You know, it's tiring to get up and go to the gym, but you know what the benefits are, and you always tap back into that same why that we're just speaking about. Mm-hmm. And so that fuels the drive to kind of make the sacrifices. Yeah.
Does your palate change to accept all of this as opposed to what you
absolutely.
used to eat before?
Yes. Our palate can change in about 3 weeks, studies have shown. And we have been conditioned to eat things very high in salt, very high in fat, very high in calories, very high in sugar. And our bodies were not meant to process
all of that.
Nutrients in that way, right? And so one of my big, premises in the Wake Up and Live movement is being able to really focus on nutrients versus calories, right? Because so often we do get caught up in that, I want to lose weight quickly in 2-3 weeks. You go on the Atkins diet, you go on the South Beach diet, you eliminate, macronutrients that our bodies actually need.
Instead of making it a lifestyle change.
Which in of itself is what drives cravings.
Yeah, but what about like supplements and those stuff? People take the shakes and...
Yeah, I mean, for the most part, in terms of what we need, I absolutely believe that we can get every single thing that we need from food. Right? I'm not a very big believer in supplements. There are others, there are some that are more natural and holistic, and you're touching on a huge point, which is really just going back to reading ingredients. We can't just pick up something and just because it says low carb or gluten free or something, and just eat it without reading the ingredients and understanding.
You can find them stuff in your book because Wake Up and Live.
Of course, that's the book. And when will it be here, by the way?
It will be here next week here in Jamaica.
And we have our very own copy.
That's my copy, mine. Okay.
See,
My copy.
So I want to show you how easy and yummy it is to make a breakfast smoothie. Do you guys eat breakfast every day?
No.
Most times.
Most times.
Tea is not breakfast.
You have to eat breakfast every single day, right? You cannot wake up and just be in overdrive and not having anything to fuel your body, right? You would never jump in your car and drive if there was no gas in there, right?
Sometimes.
No, she does.
Well,
most people.
No, you're too light. You're out of order. You're too bright.
All right, so I think it's chapter 3 that actually goes into detail on how to make smoothies, right? There are so many different ways. Right now, I'm going to make one of my favorites. So let's start with oatmeal. Breakfast should be the most nutritious kind of, compact meal for the day.
So you're saying this is a whole breakfast?
This is a whole breakfast.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah,
how much of it do we need to put in?
So let's do about half a cup of oats.
You're not supposed to take it off, big head bud. You just
take it out. A quarter cup. 1/3. You have it, man.
All right, there you go. Yes.
You can.
So let's start with oatmeal, which is like
all of that.
one of the best ways to start the day. Very full of fiber.
Half a cup.
So let's put a little bit of almond butter, and these things are all. You don't have to do it. 1 spoon, yeah.
We can use peanut butter.
You can use
eat peanut, but for some of us, no.
You can eliminate it if you don't have it, at all. A lot of people will look on a recipe and think, well, I don't have this and I don't have that, so I can't do it and I can't be healthy. Far from the truth. There are like 100 ways to make smoothies. All right.
What's next?
So now I want you to add the banana.
The whole banana?
Yeah. and just kind of like break it. Usually, in terms of consistency of smoothies, it's best to freeze the bananas
Freeze
all
them?
the time. Yes. So maybe at any given
So
Smush it up,
what does consistency have to do with the smoothie? I
Um,
just want to drink it, you know.
Yeah, but I mean, for me, I like to feel like my thing is substantial.
Okay.
Like it's thick, it's doing my body good.
Okay, what's next?
All right, so next, let's put seeds. So today I have
She didn't
seeds.
tell you how
Okay,
much.
you can put a little.
The expert, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
and then put the sunflower seed.
Just any amount of seeds you like.
Any amount. And
Just
guess
chop
what?
it in.
This is all optional. This is all, you can use flax seeds instead. And you know, what I prefer to do is start the day with a plant-based meal,
Okay.
right? So this is very, very high in protein. The almond butter, the spirulina that we're about to put in, which is a complete source of protein.
I had a bad experience with spirulina
Nah,
one
you'll
time.
be
So
fine.
how much I must put? Like a chop?
Like a little bit.
Like a chop.
Like little bit. Literally, I would use the spoon. Yeah, I would use the spoon. Little more.
Here comes so.
Because I tell you, I had a more.
Little more.
Dash it in.
Yeah, man, that's good.
I had
All
a
right,
nice.
and now, especially for the consistency, because the banana was not frozen, we're gonna go with berries.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So berries are very low on the glycemic index. It does not have a high effect on our blood sugar. So
nice.
I like to sweeten with berries.
I have some in the freezer.
And
That's it. Oh,
So if you
milk.
don't
No.
have berries, how can you sweeten it?
banana. Banana is perfect. Honey is perfect. I bought a little bit of stevia, which is, you know, a South American plant, basically. So it's not like Splenda or the other unnatural artificial sugars. All right, so now you're gonna just pour a little bit of almond milk. Again, non-dairy is always best, you know.
Yes, of course.
In fact, a lot of our
Say
issues might be
go on, Shirley.
tied to the fact, just go on.
That we
Shirley.
drink milk.
Wait.
All right,
Them say go and throw. I'm gonna choke it in your ears right now.
all right. So
Yeah, so you say about the dairy.
yes, please try to.
Avoid
I
dairy.
find that when you avoid dairy, you might be, you know, locking onto something that has been troubling you for years.
Yeah.
A lot of us don't process the protein that is found in dairy very well.
And studies have
so-
also. Once your pulse, we're good. We can't talk. She said keep going.
Where you kind of give it a shake
I'm a
around.
workout pass.
Okay. You look like you really.
You look like you're expert at this, you
Yeah,
know.
come here. Come here.
Yes.
Go on.
Ready?
Keep going. Don't be afraid. Let's try it. And this is where it's just dependent on your preference, your taste buds.
Right.
We can add a little this, put a little that, and that's why it's always hard for me to give smoothie recipes because it's so
Drink it
dependent
from
on
here,
you.
Yeah.
Go on, Drew. Yeah. Tell me if it need anything.
One blend up some more, but it's good.
How is it? Talk the truth.
Good.
It's good. Just one blend some more.
Yeah, let's blend it up more.
Good man. Fitness trainer. Camilla McDonald. More
More
healthy.
healthy stops after the break.
Yeah, can I tap it?
Smoothie on my face.
You see? All by your mouth.
Lie. So come back.